Hello, everyone, and welcome to STENO 24/7, your court reporting dictation channel. I am so glad to see everyone here today, and I appreciate your time and your attention. So, with all of that being said, I'd like to go ahead and get right into this dictation, if you don't mind. And while I'm pulling up the dictation, would you please give me a thumbs up for this video? Go ahead and do it now. I know you guys get busy. I know you guys forget. I know we all have lives. So please go ahead and do that now. And would you also share, like, and leave any comment that you would like at the bottom of the video in the comment section. And I respond to all comments. So if you leave me a comment about court reporting or something you might want to see on the channel, any suggestions to make it better, are all appreciated. Now, I want to go ahead and do my screen share so we can go ahead and get into this dictation. And today, this is going to be case number 13, 1,138 words on the subject of assault. This will be assault number 2 under your playlist. Under the 50, 60, and 70 word per minute playlist, this will be under there. Oh, I also forgot to say, if this is your first time here and you have not subscribed, please just go on over there and hit that subscribe button. I guarantee you won't regret it, because guess what, guys? Wow, channel's been doing really good. 100 subscribers, thanks to Rockstar 10. And then we've got, you won't believe it, this will make the 500th video. Let me repeat that, 500 videos. This is the 500th video. So let's clap, let's celebrate that for a moment. I'm so happy and I'm so excited. So thank you guys. I really appreciate it. And let's continue to grow, and let's continue to write, because we're going to get into this right now. This is Q&A. Excuse me. I want to make sure my voice is nice and clear and ready to go. We are at 60 words per minute. So, are you ready to write? Let's write. Question. All right. How were you hurt in this assault? If you can tell us. Answer. Well, at the time, I was hit across the top of the eye by a rifle butt. Question. That was your left eye? Answer. Left eye. Question. How was that rifle butt applied? Was it showed at you endwise or swung as a baseball bat? Answer. I do not know. Question. You didn't see it coming? Answer. I do not know. Question. Where were you at the time that blow was received by you? Answer. Just stepping out of a car. Question. What kind of car was that? Answer. It was a Chevy sedan. Question. You were just stepping out of the car when you were hit by this rifle butt? Answer, yes, sir. Question, who hit you? Answer, Mr. Carter. Question, is he the man seated in court? Answer, yes. Question, in the courtroom here today? Answer, yes. The center one. Question, he is the man wearing a brown suit, glasses, gray hair? Answer, sitting next to the lady with kind of a greenish colored shirt. Question, that's the man? Answer, yes, sir. Question, what had happened just before you were hit with this rifle butt? Just immediately before that. Answer, just immediately before that? Question, yes. Answer, how far immediately before? Question, well, say 2 minutes before that. What had happened? Answer, he chased me down the road. Question, from where? Answer, from across the bench up up towards the Diamond X, across the, I don't know what bench you call it. It's on the old Ashland Road. Question, did he chase you all the way from old Ashland Road clear into town? Answer, yes, sir. Question, where had you been just before Mr. Carter started chasing you? Answer, in his yard. Question, what were you doing there? Answer, turning around. Question, how did you happen to come there that evening? Answer, just driving around. Question, had you been in the Carter field up there? Answer, there is a road there. Question, yes. But it was inside his field, wasn't it? Answer, I guess so. Question, well, as a matter of fact, you worked on that place for a while last summer, didn't you? Answer, yes, 21 days. Question, you worked for the same man that you are complaining of in this lawsuit? Answer, yes, sir. Question, so you knew him before that evening? Answer, I knew him well. Question, about when did you quit your employment with Mr. Carter? Answer, I did not quit. I was fired. Question, and what were you doing up in the field that evening? Answer, nothing, just driving. Question, when you got down to the Carter yard, what did you do? Answer, turned around. Question, did you get out and tell anybody what you were doing there? Answer, didn't look like anybody was home. Question, well, now, in what sense do you say that? Answer, I never saw any cars, no lights, no nothing. Question, were you looking for the Carters? Answer, I got fouled up. Question, how do you mean you got fouled up? Answer, in driving down, I was going on out and the other gate was closed and I drove on through. Question, was the other gate locked? Answer, I don't know. Closed up. Looked like it was wired up. Question, did you get out to look and see? Answer, no, I didn't. Question, were you driving rapidly when you turned around? Answer, no. Question, did you race your motor at all? Answer, I don't think so. Question, did you stop and look around any of the buildings there? Answer, no, I didn't. Question, just left? Answer, yes. Question, did you see anybody come after you? Answer, not until I was way up the bench road. Question, by what means of conveyance was Mr. Carter following you? Answer, driving a Ford. It was about a 3/4 ton or ton pickup. Question, a truck of some kind? Answer, a truck. Question, and where did you stop in town? Answer, I did not stop in town. I was crowded off the road when I stopped. Question, I see. By this truck that was following you? Answer, by this truck. Question, and was there any conversation before you got out of the car? Answer, yes. Question, what was that? Answer, get out of that car, you so and so. Question, and what did you say, if anything? Answer, I asked him what he wanted, and then I started to get out. Question, did you have the door open? Answer, partly. Question, and when you were hit by the butt of a rifle? Answer, yes. Question, what happened after that? Answer, I don't know what happened for a few minutes. Question, what was R.J. Carter doing? Answer, waving that rifle around in the air. Question. Now, at the time when you were discharged, as you say, from the employment of Mr. Carter, was there some difficulty that came up between you and him? Answer. Oh, a little. Question. Had you heard during the course of your employment there anything about the claim of the Carters that some of their cattle had been shot on the Johnson place? Answer. No. Question. Hadn't heard about that? Answer. No. Question. During the time when you were there, had you heard any complaint from the Carters about the theft of the gasoline from the tank on the Ashland Road bench? Answer. No. We were told about some previous employees they had there who stole gas. I didn't know them. Question. Did you know where the gas tank was located on the Ashland Road bench? Answer. Yes. Question. Was it close to the road you followed when you came to the house on August 23rd? Answer. Right along the road. Question. Did you have any particular reason to want to be on that road as distinguished from the lower road? Answer. No. I was heading back. Question. And you drove down across the steep road leading from the bench down into Carter's house? Answer. Yes. Question. And didn't get out of the car at all? Answer. No. Question. Turned around and went back up again? Answer. That's right. Question. And Carter pursued you? Answer. I guess so. Whenever somebody shoots at me, I'm going to town. Question. Did someone shoot? Answer. I heard one shot. Question. And did you hear any bullet ricocheting near you at any point? Answer. I got a good idea. Question. But do you know? Answer. I think it was Mr. Carter. Question. What makes you think so? Did you see him firing the rifle? Answer. He was the one that had the rifle. Question. Where were you looking when you heard the rifle shot? You say you heard. Answer. Straight ahead on the road. Question. Do you know that it was a rifle shot? Answer, yes. Question, you are sure it wasn't a pistol shot? Answer, yes, I am sure. Question, how can you tell? Answer, I have fired enough rifles and enough pistols to know by the sound. Question, what kind of rifle was it? Answer, I believe it was a .32 special carbine. Question, that you heard shot? Answer, yes. Question, how can you tell that? You didn't see the shot, did you? Answer, I can tell by the sound of it pretty well. Question, you can tell by the sound of it that it was a .32 Winchester special rifle? Answer, it could have been a .30-30. Question, could it have been a .23-35? Answer, not quite. Question, could it have been a .348? Answer, what's a .348? Question, that is a caliber of rifle. Answer, might have been, but a certain size caliber on a .33 or .32 special has got a certain echo to it. Question, well, how about a .30-06 caliber? Answer, it's louder. Question, how about a .270? Answer, louder. Question, how about a .250-300? Answer, it isn't that loud. Question, how about a .256 Roberts? Answer, don't know. Haven't heard one fired. Question, how about a .357 Magnum? Answer, louder and more powerful. Question, in any event, you didn't stop when you heard a rifle? Answer, I'd been a fool if I'd stopped. Question, well, why did you go there in the first place? Answer, no reason, just driving around. All right, y'all. That was 60 words a minute, nice and smooth with no mistakes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will also be doing this at 70 words per minute. I hope to see you at the next video. And if I don't, happy writing. And if I do, happy writing. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, everyone.